Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Bemi. If you're new, welcome, and if you're not new, thanks for coming back and tuning into my channel. So in today's video I have this really easy and simple makeup look. Okay, the eyes are like really simple, so I used my ABH Soft Glam eyeshadow palette to achieve this eye look, and I think it's so pretty. Like, it's really nice. And then obviously I've paired it with my nude lips. 2020, I need to come out of my shell and just like start going for the colors, because I tend to shy away from them. But if you guys want to see how I achieve this whole look, then make sure you stay tuned and carry on watching. Also, my hair is from Sunber Hair. They sent me their body wave bundles. I have in they sent me 4 bundles, but I have in 3 bundles. I actually wish I used all 4 bundles, because their hair kind of gives you like that natural vibe sort of thing. So it's not thin and it's not full, it's just right in the middle. So I wish I used all 4 bundles, because you guys know I like my wig to be really full. It's not too thin, I can work with this, but I just wish I used all 4 bundles. So if you guys want to see how I achieved this makeup look and also how I curled my hair, then make sure you stay tuned and carry on watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, like and share. I'm gonna make sure to leave all the links and products that you guys need to know down below, so please make sure you check the description box, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye. Okay, so as you guys can see, I've already done my eyebrows and I've done this eye off camera. I've applied my lashes as well, so I've just gone for like a really soft, easy eye look today. So for today's eye look, I'm gonna be using the ABH Soft Glam eyeshadow palette. I just feel like it has some really nice neutral colors in there, and yeah, so the first shade I'll be using is Sienna, and I'm just going to use this as my transition shade. Actually, no, I lied. The first thing we're going to do, okay, I'm just thinking, I swear I did something before that. So I'm going to prime my eyelid using my Morphe concealer. I like using this concealer because it dries matte and it's very full coverage as well. So I'm going to mix that with my eyeshadow primer, my ABH eyeshadow primer. So I'm just going to mix this together to prime my eyelid. So once I'm done prepping my eyelid, I'm gonna go in with Sienna from my Soft Glam palette. I'm gonna go in with Cypress Umber and a bit of Neo, which is the black eyeshadow. This isn't dark enough, that's why I'm mixing these 2 shades together, and I'm just gonna put that in my outer corner, and then I'm just gonna drag it in. I'm going to go back in with the first brush that I used, and then just use that to blend around the edges of the black. I don't really want the black to be too intense, so it's just very soft. So now I'm going to take a big dense brush like this, and then I'm going to use that to apply Dusty Rose on my lid. I'm going to go back in with the brush that I used for my outer V, and then just use that to blend around the Dusty Rose that I've just applied. So that's literally it, guys. I'm now going to apply my eyeliner, and then I'll be back. Okay, so as you guys can see, I've popped my lashes on now, so I'm going to move on to my face. So for today's foundation, I'm going to be using my Chanel foundation, and I have this in the shade 132. But because this is a really full coverage foundation and it's mattifying as well, I'm going to be mixing it with my FENTY foundation. My FENTY foundation is in the shade 445, and so this is what I do all the time. Every time I wear a mattifying foundation, I like to mix it with an hydrating foundation, because I just feel like it just gives you the perfect finish. Because I don't know, I just like mixing my foundations. Like, you would never catch me using just one foundation on its own. I have to mix it. So yeah, I've already moisturized my skin, and I've prepped my skin as well. So okay, so this is what the foundation is looking like, guys. Like, this is the foundation that I bring out on special occasions, like if I'm going to that event where I want my makeup to look popping. So now I'm going to use the Morphe concealer to highlight my face, and this is in the shade 4.35. So now I'm going to set my face with my Morphe face powder, and this is in the shade 13. So now I'm going to contour my face with my LA Girl Pro Contour Powder, and this is in the shade Deep. I'm also going to go into my bronzer powder from Morphe, and then just use that over my contour as well. So now I'm going to go back in with my beauty blender and use what concealer I have left to reverse contour my cheekbones. And then I'm just going to go back in with my powder brush and just use that to blend, because I hate that. This is why I don't reverse contour my cheekbones, because I just hate when that line is just there. So now I'm going to smoke out my lower lash line with Cypress Umber. I'm going to apply some blusher just to, you know, bring back some colour to my face, because I feel like right now I just look very, you know, just brown, but I need to add some colour to my cheeks. So I'm going to be using the NYX Sweet Cheeks blusher in the shade Citrine Rose. So I'm going to move on to my lips now, and I'm just going to go in with the side that has the setting powder, and I'm just going to pat that on my lips. And now I'm going to line my lips with my sleek lip liner in the shade Just Say Nothing. I'm going to apply a nude lipstick, and this is the ABH liquid lipstick in the shade On Mute. So now I'm going to set my face with my ABH Dewy setting spray. And the thing with my lashes as well is that it's fine if you get them wet, it's not going to make it go out of shape or anything like that. So I'm going to take this side of my beauty blender and then just use that to pat the setting spray into my skin. Okay, so guys, I'm done with my eye makeup now. I've applied my mascara, and I use the Maybelline Great Lash Mascara, which is what I use all the time. Or sometimes I use the Sleek Mascara as well. I'd recommend that one, it's so good. So now I'm going to highlight my face, and I'm going to be using the Sleek Makeup Mono Highlighter. So I've got two different shades here, and I'm going to be mixing the both of them to highlight my face. Okay guys, so my makeup is done, and this is what it's looking like. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I really like how this makeup turned out. I think this is so nice. Obviously the eyes are like really soft, but the lashes obviously makes my eyes look really dramatic, and I like that. But so now when it comes to my hair is from Sunber Hair, and they sent me their body wave bundles. I actually went in and dyed the hair jet black. I dyed it jet black. This is my first time dyeing my hair jet black, and I actually love it. But I don't know, sometimes I feel like when you dye your hair black, jet black, it makes it look synthetic. But this is growing on me, because I feel like it just makes your hair stand out more. It makes the hair look really healthy, and when it comes to the hair itself, the hair is actually really soft. So I've just added some loose curls to this hair, and I feel like this hair from Sunber Hair, it's not thick and it's not thin, so it's just like it's right in the middle, so it gives you like a natural sort of look, and the hair just looks really nice. And I'm really happy I dyed it jet black, because I feel like it just makes the hair look so pretty and so sexy and just really grown. So but yeah, I'm gonna make sure to leave all the links you guys need for this hair. The hair is so nice, it's so soft. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you like the makeup look. It's really simple, guys. I didn't really do anything crazy. Yeah, I'm gonna make sure to leave all the links that you guys need to know down below, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to comment, subscribe, like and share, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye. Riding a limo, Bentley, smelling like Paco Rabanne. Don't wanna let me go, no. Yeah, oh, you my whiny for me. Should I say you got the body? Oh, no. Maybe you don't have money low, I'm again, no go tell you better.